Today we're going to learn Rock Along, and this is the first time you play a song that has both the treble and the bass clefs together. So let us analyze the piece first. If you look at the very beginning, you will see the treble clef on the top and the bass clef on the bottom. They are connected together with a bracket. Now we call this the grand staff. Grand staff is used for keyboards or keyboard type instruments. If you look at the top line, you will see notes, a combination of half, quarter, and whole notes. The bass clef on the top line, it only has rests. And notice that the rest for a whole note is placed on the bottom of the fourth line. So that's how it looks like. That means you don't play with your left hand, you only play with your right hand. And that's the top line. Going to the bottom line, you will see the hands switched. Now the notes or the melody is played by the left hand, while the right hand rests. There is a whole note rest in each measure. Looking at the very end, there's something new. We learned before about bar lines. We have the single bar lines that separate or divide the staff into measures. We have the double bar line that we see at the very end, which means this is the end of music. Now we see a double bar line with two dots, two on the treble clef and two on the bass clef. Now the double bar line with the dots signify that the piece should be repeated. So in this case, you will repeat the song twice from the beginning. Now looking at the rhythm. Now let's clap the rhythm on the top line. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's clap the rhythm on the bottom line. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now notice that the rhythm is identical. It's the same thing. Now if you also look at the notes are also the same. But the top line is played by the right hand and the bottom line is played by the left hand. So hand position. The hand position for the top line is the same as when you started to play with the song Ode to Joy. So you place your hand on the left of the two black keys in the middle. And the left hand is to be placed same hand position as you played orally. So when you start the song, you should prepare yourself by placing both hands together. Do not play with one hand and then take it off and play with the other. That will create confusion. So just keep both hands together and then play. In the beginning, I highly recommend that you hum and say the number of the fingers as you play. Like this. 1, 2, ready, go. 1,